In this video, we'll be talking about correlation. I'm sure you've heard the term, but what does it really mean? Correlation measures how closely related two variables are. You can get a feel for the correlation between two variables by plotting them with a scatter plot. If your cloud of points is arranged in a neat line, your variables have high correlation. If they're scattered all over, then they have low correlation. You can confirm your visual intuition by calculating correlation using code with the help of the core function in your data frame, which we'll see soon. Once you calculate the correlation value, how can you make sense of the result? Correlation falls between -1 and 1. If it's close to 1, the two variables have a strong positive correlation, as you can see in this image. If it's close to -1, then the two variables have a strong negative correlation. In this case, the line formed by the points would be sloped down and to the right. And if it's close to 0, the two variables have little correlation. For linear regression to give us good predictions, we need a strong positive or negative correlation. In other words, we need the correlation to be close to 1 or -1. Let's look at an example. Open the ML for Beginners GitHub project we've been following, then go to the Regression folder, Linear, and click on the notebook. We'll run the first few cells, which we've already covered in previous videos. The only new line of code here adds a new column called Day of the Year, which extracts a number between 1 and 365 from the date column. So now our data frame has month, day of year, variety, city, package, low price, high price, and price. Let's create a scatter plot for the month and price variable and evaluate our correlation. It doesn't seem like there's much correlation. Let's try another variable. Maybe there's correlation between day of the year and price. It also doesn't seem like there's much correlation. Let's calculate the correlation using code to see if it confirms our visual intuition. Yeah, the correlation for the two pairs of variables is close to 0. So any prediction we make with these isn't going to be super accurate. There's something interesting about the second scatter plot though. It seems that the data points are clustered. Maybe each cluster corresponds to a type of pumpkin. Well, we can color the data points according to pumpkin type to find out. That's interesting. It does seem that there's some truth to our hypothesis. It seems that the pie-type pumpkins are the cheapest, and maybe the miniature ones are the most expensive. Let's look at a bar graph to know for sure. Exactly, pie-type is cheapest and miniature most expensive. Looking at the scatter plot, it seems that if we filter by pie-type pumpkins, we might get better correlation. So let's filter by pie-type pumpkins and look at the correlation between day of the year and price. The correlation still isn't amazing, but it's better than what we started with. Can we use linear regression to make predictions using these two variables? Watch the next video to find out.